XRP Army, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Ripple just launched its brand new stablecoin, Real USD, and the market is going to go absolutely ballistic. But is this just the beginning of XRP's dominance? Is the next leg up already loading? Stick around, because today I'm breaking down why Real USD changes the game, what's next for XRP, and why $4.50 might be just a start. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoyX, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all of the interwebs. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you're excited about XRP and the launch of Ripple's new stablecoin, Real USD, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The XRP Army has been patient, but now it's time for liftoff. Let's dive into why XRP is on fire and what it means for your portfolio. So let's start with the headline. XRP is in full breakout mode. Over the last few weeks, we've watched XRP tear through resistance levels, and now $4.50 is firmly in sight, regardless of a pullback. But here's where it gets interesting. Historically, XRP has only briefly touched the $3 range. Back in 2017 to 2018, during the peak of the bull run in January, XRP spiked to $3.84, but guess what? It never closed a daily candle above $2.75. That's right, it was a flash in the pan, a two-day event. And most of you never had the chance to ride it. I did, I was actually there. I actually had XRP at that time. But now, things are different. XRP stepping into price discovery. $4.50, it's not just speculation, it's where this rocket is headed. Once we see XRP close above $2.75, there's no meaningful resistance until all-time highs. The chart is wide open, and the XRP Army is about to take over. Now let's talk about the real catalyst, Ripple's Real USD stablecoin. Today marks the official launch, and I've been telling you guys this is massive. If you've been sleeping on Ripple stablecoin plans, it's time to wake up. Stablecoins are the backbone of this industry. Let me explain why. In crypto, liquidity is king. Without liquidity, you can't trade. You can't move assets, and you can't scale markets. That's where stablecoins come in. Tether, USDT, and USDC by Circle dominate the market, but Ripple is stepping in to challenge that dominance. Real USD isn't just another stablecoin, it's built for institutions, banks, and global liquidity. Now, here's what's happening now. Liquidity flow. Real USD will drive billions of dollars in liquidity through the XRP ledger, further cementing XRP's position as the bridge asset for global payments. Institutional adoption. Ripple already has partnerships with banks and payment providers all around the world. Real USD gives them a stable on-chain solution to move money across borders seamlessly. Demand for XRP. You see, as Real USD gains traction, demand for XRP is going to skyrocket. Why? Because XRP is the fuel that powers these transactions. More transactions means more utility, and more utility means higher prices. Ripple isn't just solving problems for retail investors, they're solving trillion-dollar problems for institutions. Real USD is going to be a game changer, and the launch is perfectly timed for XRP's price breakout. So why is $4.50 so significant? It's not just a number, it's a signal. Once XRP clears $2.75 and hits $4.50, it proves that the utility narrative is real. XRP has always been seen as the bridge asset, but for years it's been held back by FUD lawsuits and regulatory uncertainty. Now, all of that is changing. Regulatory clarity. Ripple's legal battles with the SEC are in the rear view mirror. The appeal doesn't matter. The ruling that XRP is not a security, it stands. Institutional confidence. Big money is stepping in. Ripple partnerships and Real USD launch are drawing institutional eyes, and that brings legitimacy and adoption. Trump rally. Let's not forget, XRP surged 370% since Trump's election victory. As bullish policies and pro-crypto sentiment grow, XRP will continue to lead the charge. And here's the bottom line. XRP is at the beginning of a major breakout. $4.50 is just the next stop. Once XRP closes above $2.75, the floodgates open. We're talking about all-time highs being tested again, possibly before the end of this year. Institutional FOMO as banks and investors rush to capitalize on Ripple's real-world utility. New liquidity flow driven by Real USD and growing demand for cross-border payments. And don't forget, Ripple stablecoin launch, it isn't just about XRP, it's about positioning Ripple as the leader in the stablecoin market, alongside USDT and USDC. This isn't just another breakout. This is the XRP army finally getting the recognition it deserves. If you've been holding through the bear market, this is your moment. So here's what you need to know. Ripple's real USD stablecoin launch is a massive catalyst for XRP, and the price breakout, $4.50, will just be the beginning. The charts are telling us XRP is ready to soar. The fundamentals are stronger than ever, and institutional demand, it's about to kick things into hyperdrive. If you want to trade the XRP action, make sure to use my Phemex link down below in the description or in the QR code on the screen for up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses. This is XRP's time to shine, and the bull run is only getting started. That's all I got. Be blessed. Good boy out.